everyone, it's Natasha. In today's video, I'm going to show you a massive Usborne haul. I got books for my daughters who are 6, 10, and just about to be 12. So let's jump right in. The first thing I got was the entire Billy B. Brown set. It said that these are beginner chapter books with no more than 50 words on a page. And I think it said illustrations on every other page. Pretty sure that's what it said. So my daughter, my 6-year-old, I would say these are probably a little bit too hard for her right now. But I would say probably by summer, these will be a great fit for her. And I mean, she could probably do these with some help, but she still needs to work up some stamina. But I do love the fact that there's no more than the 50 words on the page, and the chapters look relatively short, though I do not believe she would at this point be able to read a whole chapter in one sitting. So that's why I think probably by summer, these will be fantastic for her. And so I preemptively bought them because I just knew, look how thin they are. Like these would be great, into next year, this summer and next year. So we've got Billy B. Brown, the birthday mix-up, the soccer star, the spotty vacation, the beautiful haircut. And it said these books have to do with, I think Billy B. might even be a first grader, but a young girl who just regular everyday situations. So the secret message, the hat parade, the grumpy neighbor, the bully buster, the bad butterfly. We actually already had this one, but I just bought the whole set, so it came with this one again. The night fright, the deep end, the extra special helper, the best project, the big sister, the little lie, the missing tooth, the second best friend, the honeybees, the midnight feast, and the copycat kid. And I got the book and puzzle set, and that's what came with the bad butterfly, even though we already had that one. So I thought she would love to have a puzzle to go along with it. So I got those for my 6-year-old, though if my older girls want to read them, they are more than welcome to. It's just that will be a super easy read for them if they read those. Okay, and then I got some of the Extraordinary Life of. We have the Anne Frank one, and my to-be 12-year-old, she turns 12 this next week. She specifically asked for more of these. So I got Serena Williams, Mary Seacole, Neil Armstrong, and Amelia Earhart. And these, they're really nice and colorful and easy reads. And my daughter really, really liked the Anne Frank one. And then after she read the Anne Frank one, we happened to go to a museum in Palm Springs. It was a air museum, Palm Springs something air museum. I don't remember, but anyways, they held a whole display of Anne Frank, and she thought that was cool because she had just read about her. Then I got this Shine series. I thought that my 10-year-old would really like these. But again, anybody can read them. I just this is who I thought of or whatever. Chloe Center Stage. My 10-year-old is in dance. I actually think both of them will like these, both my 10 and 12-year-olds. Chloe Center Stage, Sarah's Dream Role. It's all about performing arts. And so I thought that was really cool. Lily's Secret Audition and Bethany Sings Out. And I'll give you, there are some pictures in here, but not as many, every once in a while there's pictures. But, they look like light, easy, fun reads. I don't remember what age he said, but I think, like I said, my 10 and 12-year-old will probably both really like these, but this specific one, I was thinking of my 10-year-old. I was thinking of these for my 12-year-old, but again, you know, we've got Marie Curious, and this is Marie Curious Girl Genius. This is rescues a rock star and saves the world, and Undercover Gamer. These are a little bit thicker than the other books I've shown so far. And here's kind of what they look like inside. So there's no pictures in these. But it's a girl who uses science to like save the world. So I thought it was really cool, like, you know, girl STEM type of thing. So I hope that they like these. And then I got 100 Things to Do on a Car Trip and 100 Things to Do on a Plane. We drive to California often, and so I thought this would be good on a car trip. We just went to Laughlin, Nevada, and this would have been great, but it came a little bit too late. Well, I ordered it too late. I didn't realize these were like activity books, so I need to order another one because both my 10 and 12-year-old will like these. It's a little too hard for my 6-year-old, so I'm thinking maybe some different Usborne activity books for her, you know, for a car ride. And we'll be going on a plane this year. We've been, last year we went to Colorado, but we'll be going on a plane again this year. And so I thought this would be fun to take on the plane also. So we should actually be going on a plane a couple times, hopefully, Lord willing. So anyway, so I thought those were good, but now I have to order 2 more because I didn't realize how neat they were. Then I got this Sticker Dolly story set. So if you're familiar with Usborne, you might have seen the Sticker Dolly dressing like activity books, and those have little stickers, but these are chapter books created around those characters in those sticker books. But the cool thing is these do have a sheet of stickers in the front, so that if that's appealing to your daughter, then you know, she might like that. But let me show you. It shows the characters here and kind of the town, and then it goes into the chapters. This is also an easier read, fun read. See, as you can see, that's really cool. So we've got Baby Dragon, Unicorn Rescue, Ice Palace, Woodland Princess, Dream Pony, Castle in the Clouds, Christmas Mystery, Water Lily Ball, Fairy Picnic, and Mermaid in Trouble. So we got all of those. Then got a couple more sets. We got the Pet Vet series. We got the book 1, Cranky Paws. Let me show you the inside of these. So a picture every once in a while, not that many pictures, but these are thin books. So we've got Cranky Paws, and I believe this is told from the like the cat's point of view, the dog's point of view. There's a dog, I guess. My daughter's chiming in over there. So from the dog's point of view. And then we've got the Mare's Tail, Motorbike Bob, the Python Problem, the Kitten's Tail, and the Pup's Tail. She's also in a vet out school class right now. So she's reading these books first to kind of go along with her vet class, and that's pretty fun. Then we got the Fairy Ponies series. So I'll show you inside these. So these are very pretty. This is Midnight Escape, Magic Necklace, Rainbow Races, Pony Princess, and here's like the thickness of them, Unicorn Prince, and Enchanted Mirror. So that's it for the sets that I got. Now, let me show you kind of the individual books I got. So the first one I got that I'm really excited about is 365 Words Everyone Should Know. We're going to incorporate this into our bedtime basket for vocabulary. And then it just has the word, some information about it, how you can use it, did you know, where does it come from, just interesting tidbits. And I figure we will try to know their meanings and the spelling of these words. So, yeah, so that's what that looks like. I also got lots of things to know about animals, and this does have quick links with it, but it's a nice illustrated book. So I thought that one looked great. Then we've got Vet Academy also to go along with the vet chapter books and the vet class for my 10-year-old. And it comes with stickers, a poster, and a press out model. I'm actually pretty impressed with this one. This looks really good. So she'll probably work through this for the remainder of this school year. And it has the assembly instructions and everything in there. So this looks really nice. Then we got Getting Started with Math. This is Usborne STEM, and this looks fantastic, actually. I really like this. So it covers what is math, numbers, adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing, fractions, measuring, telling the time, money, shapes, position and direction, patterns and sequences, using data, glossary, and the index. And so I thought we would use this as basically a reference book when one of my girls is learning something new in math. I will go to this, the section in this book and go ahead and read that to them. So I thought this is a really neat reference book. So I'm super excited to have this. I got this Usborne Lift the Flap math shapes for my girls. We are learning a lot of geometry right now, and so I thought this would be fun. It has, it talks about the edges, the faces, how to find the, the vertices, what are polygons, not polygons, the solid shapes, the, how to measure. I think it talks about, does it talk about finding the volume? Maybe not. Oh, it talks about the angles also, which is great. And yeah, so I don't think it covers, but I mean, it covers so much, but I don't think it covers volume and area, but nevertheless, it covers a whole lot, and it has quick links too. So I thought this would be great to go along with what they're doing right now. Then we have 365 science activities. I got this just to use as a resource book. I like how it lays flat with that coil binding. The pages are very thick. This is set up kind of like their cookbooks, which I also really like. Anyways, so there's 365 science activities. So, and there is an index in the back, which I think is very handy. So this is a very nice, pretty, easy to use book. I like things that are easy to use. This next one I'm excited about. It's the Escape Room. Can you escape the museum? This is gonna be so fun. So let me show you. Okay, it has a how to play right here. If you've never done an escape room, you can do physical escape rooms where you go somewhere and you they have rooms set up and you have to basically solve the clues to escape the room. Obviously, you're not actually in any danger. It's just, pretend nothing happens if you don't get out. But of course, you want to try to get out before the timer's up. But I'm thinking you can turn this into your own escape room if you plan ahead with your kids. They also have virtual escape rooms that I've done with my class when I was teaching, and my kids have done in different outschool classes, where you're kind of following links and doing different things. And then we also did a paper escape room for Easter last year. I have a video on that, but it's the same kind of thing. You're like solving things, but you just have these clues and you have to figure out the clues to solve it and solve the mystery, basically. So escape rooms are really fun. So it gives you like all the information, lays everything out. There's four escape rooms? Let me see. Oh no, there's multiple rooms in the museum. That's what it is. So there's like an Egyptian, let me tell you what there is. There's an Egyptian gallery. Oh, it shows me right here. That would be helpful. So we have the medieval gallery, the animal gallery, the Egyptian gallery, the dinosaur gallery, the Viking gallery, and the space gallery. So that's more than 4. I can count, I promise. So anyway, and takes you through everything. And then in here is like all of the materials you need to they're all, like you have to pop them out. So anyways, this looked super, super cool. I thought this would be maybe a fun activity for like to do with friends or for the end of the year, or I don't know. I just know it's going to be fun. Then I got Explore America's National Parks. I just thought this one would be kind of fun to go through. We don't really know much about the national parks, so this just looks really, really beautiful. And so anyway, thought that would be fun. And then this one I'm super excited about. It is the Book of Math, Adventures in the World of Shapes and Numbers. And this one we're also going to use in our bedtime basket, which most people do in the morning and call it a morning basket, but we call it bedtime basket. And it has like 86 different things. So basically takes you through a semester if you do one a day. Everything from what is math, everyday math, a short history of math, Mathematician Hall of Fame. It talks about math and art, I Spy Pi, which we just needed a couple days ago. Strange shapes, measuring up, weird measurements, shapes in space, math and music, play ball, weird math facts, round and round, what's the change, math for spies, how to be a math genius. So anyways, it's just basically one spread that we're going to read per day. A lot of this will be over my 6-year-old's head, but that's okay because we can always do it again. But she'll get something out of it. Here it talks about horsepower. Anyways, it just looks really, really interesting. And you know how kids always ask you, well, I don't gotta learn math. Well, here you go. So I'm really, really excited about this one. I'm excited about all of them. Who am I kidding? But anyway, I think that is it. That is our Usborne haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.